Hey guys, what's up? It's Meg here from AVO. We are back at Jeep Beach in Daytona, Florida right now. In our booth this year, we have Go Be Recon's Jeep with the new Alu-Cab ModCAP family camper, and we have the AVO Gladiator with a Project M. I'm going to walk around and show you guys these campers. Alright guys, so first up, let's check out the Go Be Recon Jeep. Last time you saw this at an event, we had it at the Save Expo, and we had the 2-sleeper top on it. We took it back to AVO and we converted it to the family camper. So we took off that 2-sleeper top and then we put on the family camper. So let's walk around and check it out. One of the best parts of the Alu-Cab ModCAP campers is that there's so many different accessories you can add. You can set up your camper to fit your camping style, whether you're camping solo or with your family. The new family camper from Alu-Cab gives you so much space inside and makes camping with family so much easier. Behind me we have the AVO Gladiator with a 4-wheel camper's Project M, and the Project M is so cool that it fits on the Gladiator. It looks really cool. The black on black is awesome. We love it. Let's walk around and check it out. The Project M is a perfect camper for those customers wanting to keep their tailgate and have the option to use their truck bed as a regular bed. It's also perfect if you'd like to take off your camper when you're not using it. All 4-wheel campers are able to be removed within a matter of minutes. Looking on the inside of the camper, you see you have so much space inside. This bed can slide out to create a king-size bed, and the interior is a blank slate that you can set up however you'd like. Both of the Gladiators in our booth this year had the Powerbrake X-Line kits. When you start adding so much weight to your vehicle, upgrading your brakes is a must. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions about anything Alu-Cab or 4-wheel campers, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com, or you can call us at 844-667-3687. Bye guys!